Today is a very good day. So first of all, tell me in comment, how do you do this very important for me? Hallo zusammen, buenos dias, konnichiwa, manaun. I just film myself with my mobile phone. It's very precious for your time, every project you want to start right now. So let's get started. For the 5 next years, the challenge I have right now is very significant. First of all, I realize how self-discipline is very important, and how time is very precious. So to improve the abilities and skills I need, I know how the process is very difficult. The process is so long. I'm patient. I take this decision in a long term. I have 365 days to improve my abilities and skills I need to grow up, to focus on my different editing video project and industrial design project. To learn every single day is very precious for my time. Maybe you're wondering how to reach your goals and how to success, but it's just about your process and how you discipline yourself. I experience every single day and it works everywhere with every people and every time. First of all, it's very significant to make the balance between your career, your job and your personal project is very important. So let's review my strategy of self-investment right now for the 5 next years. Step 1, to review my strategy of self-investment. I want to earn more time to work on the different future editing video project and industrial design project I want to start right now. Step number 2, you know how to learn several languages in this century. 2022 is very significant and precious for your career. It's very important and significant to focus my intention on my languages learning. Every single day I just practice several languages to improve my abilities and skills I need. It's a very good way to improve your employability skills in the international market. I have this year this privilege to work in immersion in a German company. For me, it works every single day. I think it's very important to don't break the chain. Take these habits to just practice 1% to use the effect compound, and I assure you, it makes a difference. I realize how it's very powerful. Effect compound change everything. Step 3 is very important to improve my abilities and skills I need as a new content creator. I think for the 5 next years, it's very important to experience different interface of editing video and tools I need to improve my mastering. So for this 5 next year, I want to code this both program, DaVinci Resolve and Premiere Pro. To experience these both tools interface of editing video are very interesting. I want to show you after these 5 years how I improve my abilities and skills I need as a content creator and industrial designer. It's just about my experience and the process I continue to grow up and to become better. I talk about start the first step, take the first decision, and quit your comfort zone is very important. I believe in you. I believe in your potential and DNA as a new content creator, as an artist or industrial designer. Whatever the failures, mistakes you do to grow up and to mastering every abilities and skills you need right now in this century 2022. So go ahead, start the first step and believe in yourself. I wish you a good day and see you next time for the next editing video. If you want to learn more about design, skills and investment in the same time about editing video, you can comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you want to check my website, I put every link in the description. Bye bye.